And this gets into much of what we teach and coach on now. We're the upgraders. So what we want to do is we want to upgrade you in every aspect of your life. We want you to know how valuable you are. We want you to know how you God's created being, and how he created you it was basically, we were made in his image. Well, what are we saying? We're saying that you have abilities to do things. You have abilities to create. You have the ability to soar. That's what we have. Oftentimes people don't know what they walk in. They don't know the power that they have. They don't understand how valuable they are. And we oftentimes take our life's experiences, and those are the things that govern our way. But when you come to a place of really understanding who you are, the transformation of the mind, the renewal of the mind, that's when transformation takes place. My favorite book, it says that renew the mind, the transformation will take place. That's what you have to do.
There's a people called the Jesuits, and they used to say, give me a child until he's 4 and I'll show you the man. Now, so think about that. The first 4 years of life, you're conditioned and you're programmed. Your subconscious mind is just open, right? Everything you hear is lodged. So what happens is up until the age of 19, 95% of who you are has already been formed. After 19, it's just a repetition of what you learned in the beginning of life. Tonya and I are able, like I said, to figure out what happened early on in life. And we can pull that out of your subconscious mind, literally. And then we can begin to fill that void place in your subconscious with what it is that you do want. Alvin Toffler says the illiterate of the 21st century, it won't be those who can't read or write. It will be those who can't learn, unlearn, and relearn. So as the upgraders, we're introducing everybody that we come in contact with, one-on-one or even organizations. We're teaching them how to relearn the things that they need to know in order to be successful. So